Hey kids, are you ready to make some fun and gooey slime? Today, I'm going to show you 3 awesome slime recipes that you can make right at home. Let's get started. First up, we're making fluffy slime. For this, you'll need some white glue, shaving cream, and a bit of baking soda. Pour the white glue into a bowl, add a few squirts of shaving cream, and mix it up until it's nice and fluffy. Next, add just a little bit of baking soda. Now for the secret ingredient, contact lens solution. Add a few drops and stir. Keep mixing and you'll see it start to come together. Once it's not sticky anymore, you can take it out and start playing with your fluffy slime. Isn't it fun? Now, let's make some glitter slime. This one is super sparkly. You'll need clear glue, glitter, and liquid starch. Start by pouring the clear glue into a bowl. Then add as much glitter as you want. You can use one color or mix a few different ones. It's up to you. Stir the glitter into the glue. Now, add the liquid starch a little bit at a time, mixing as you go. Keep stirring until it turns into slime. Look how shiny and sparkly it is. You can stretch it, squish it, and make all sorts of cool shapes. Lastly, let's make some color-changing slime. This one is like magic. You'll need white glue, food coloring, and thermochromic pigment powder. Pour the white glue into a bowl and add a few drops of food coloring. Mix it well. Now add the thermochromic pigment powder. This powder changes color with heat, so your slime will change color when you play with it. Add some baking soda and mix. Finally, add contact lens solution and stir until it becomes slime. Give it a try. See how it changes color when you hold it in your hands. Wow! We made 3 different types of slime. Fluffy slime, glitter slime, and color-changing slime. Remember to always have an adult help you, and don't forget to wash your hands after playing. I hope you had as much fun as I did making these slimes. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked this video. See you next time. Which slime was your favorite? Fluffy, glitter, or color-changing? Let us know in the comments below. Fluffy slime is so soft and squishy, perfect for squeezing and stretching. Glitter slime is super sparkly and shiny, great for making fun shapes. And color-changing slime is like magic, changing colors with the warmth of your hands. Slime is not only fun to play with, but it's also a great way to learn about science and chemistry. Try adding different colors and see how they mix together. Or add more glitter for extra sparkle. The possibilities are endless, and you can create your own unique slime creations. Share your slime with friends and see what cool combinations you can come up with together. And remember, always clean up after making slime to keep your space tidy. Store your slime in airtight containers to keep it fresh and stretchy for longer. You can even label your containers with the type of slime and the date you made it. Organize your slime collection and see how many different types you can make. Show off your slime collection to your friends and family. Slime is fun to play with indoors or outdoors. Just make sure to keep it away from dirt and grass. Have a slime play date with your friends and see who can make the coolest slime. Making slime together is a great way to spend time with friends and family. So grab your ingredients and start making some slime today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIY videos. See you next time, and happy slime making!